Okay, Annie, here is one of the options we were thinking of at Nauset. There are several handicap parking places at this far end new access area, ramp 4, except what we realized this morning, what I didn't know before, was that it's not actually a ramp. So the benefits are there are handicapped spots and it's flat. There are no big hills up and down. The trouble is, I don't know if you can tell, this sand is really soft sand to walk on. So even though, and there is, you know, a small kind of a downward slope right here. So even though there are no hills to grapple with, it's kind of a long walk from the end of the ramp even. That's where we are by the water, right there. So it's not as easy as I hoped.